Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm come back with another video. Hey, man, look. Before the video even gets started, man, y'all already know what time it is, bro. Do-rag beanies, man, they are on sale. They are on sale before, man, y'all got to cop before the New Year's, all right? So y'all got a couple days to cop before the New Year's sale run out. The regular price is $70. Y'all got $20 off. You feel me? For the New Year's sale, man. So make sure y'all go crazy, man. Contact at upnextlifestyle on IG. Protect and serve your hair, man. You know what I'm saying? We got all types of flavor, man. We got the retro red. We got the money green. We got the black. Got the purple dream. And I got blue. I got blue on my head right now, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know what a do-rag beanie is, bro, it's simple. It's in the name. It's a do-rag inside of a beanie. Y'all see me rocking it right here as well. And as you see, it has a lot of room because it fits my headphones, my hair. These are 4 years of dreads. And it still got a little room at the top. You know what I'm saying? A regular beanie could never. A regular beanie could never. All right, y'all. Let's get straight into this video. I want to inform you guys on basically having dreadlocks or just having hair, period. If you got hair, period, you gonna want to listen to this. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know most of my fan base is dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? But so look, having dreadlocks during the cold, during the winter. It low key, it's like the worst. You know what I'm saying? It's the worst because at the same time you want to use your dreadlocks to cover up your ears. You get what I'm saying? So hold on, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I got on headphones so you can't really see, but you know how sometimes, bro, you want to use your dreads to cover up your ears, bro. You know what I'm saying? But then your dreadlocks start getting cold, so it kind of puts you in like a hard situation. So what y'all need to do is y'all need to wear I don't even care if y'all wear my do-rag beanie. Y'all need to hop on this wave or something, you know what I'm saying? Because it prevents, do I have to show y'all the image again? It prevents frizziness, dry and damaged hair. You get what I'm saying? So this is the best thing, this is the best invention that I done came out with that's happening right now. This is the best invention, bro. The satin line beanie or the do-rag beanie, bro. Especially during the cold weather. And y'all can't tell me that it's not. You feel me? Because everybody love beanies, bro. But the one thing that's bad about the beanie is the beanie will never fully protect your hair. Excuse me. The beanie will never fully protect your hair. And I know y'all like, how this and third, bro. Let me tell you, bro. When you put the beanie on, put one of your regular beanie ons right now. I know you got one. Put it on, right? And then pull up your hair. Now, if you just got your hair done, I don't care if you're a female or a male. If you just got your hair done, if you got dreadlocks, if you got braids, even if you have a wig on, tell me that the beanie won't pull up your hair. You know what I'm saying? That's the best thing about the do-rag beanie, bro. Look, the satin line beanies, bro, the do-rag beanie, whichever one you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? They got the silk on the inside, so it fully protects your hair. Protect and serve your hair 2022, man. That's the whole motto for 2022, protect and serve your hair, man. We having an up next lifestyle in 2022, man. We gotta have an up next lifestyle. We gotta care about ourselves, you know what I'm saying? I'm drinking tea right now. I got elderberry, raspberry, and this herbal tea, nigga. So, yeah. I got some more stuff. Hey. I was like, bro, why am I giving these folk games about tea? Hey, I don't endorse Dasani. This is the only water I had left in my crib, bro. if anything, I need my spring water. But if it come down to dehydrating or Dasani, I'm gonna choose Dasani. But if anything, I need my spring water. All right, man. I appreciate y'all for just staying here, just listening to me talk crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad to be back on YouTube. I'm glad to just be chill. I'm glad to make video. I'm glad to make this content for you guys. You know what I'm saying? And we do go through we do go through things in life, but you know we keep rising. You feel me? With saying that I don't feel my best, but that don't give me no excuse to not go hard each and every day. You feel me? So I appreciate y'all for coming through. Make sure I go shop. Make sure I go cop, man. The do-rag beanies, $20 off the New Year's sales. Order yours today at Upnext Lifestyle on Instagram or at upnextmalyt on Instagram as well. Y'all can contact either one of those and y'all can place y'all an order. All right, make sure I do that today. Catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace.